Good morning. Happy Saturday. We are just home today and it's kind of rainy outside. So we're having an indoor hangout today. You want to come up here, Bobo? Come here. Come here. So we're just kind of wrangling my little squirrels and doing what I do today. What else? Oh, Jenna and Sam are taking their ACT right now, and I'm like nervous for them, but I know they're gonna do great. And I just told them, just go in there and do your best, and that's all you can do. So they're doing that, and then Jenna's going to go get stocking stuffers for me at the dollar store. So normally I do that, and I get like a bag for every kid, and then I just like fill it up while I'm in the store so I can keep it organized while I'm shopping. And then whenever I get home, Rosie has laryngitis, and so she feels fine and she acts fine, but her voice sounds like a little mouse. It's really cute. But anyway, so today we're going to do another 12 days of Christmas. It's day 2, and we're going to do another giveaway today, so that's exciting. And I'll announce the giveaway winner from yesterday on the post, but I'll also put it on here. And I'm going to make baked ziti tonight for dinner. And what else? I think that's it. Like, we're just hanging out. We had a big grocery order this morning. Chelsea and I have so many exciting things happening with Abundant Management. I'm just so excited for our summit, and it just keeps getting like more awesome and awesome towards the end, and I'm just excited about that. But anyway, that's all that's going on here. I hope everybody's having a wonderful Saturday. Whoa!
Whoa!
That was
cool.
cool.
You wanted to do it? And now you're mad at me? Okay. Wait a minute, we gotta save it.
Pretty creative. He says, that's fun.
We need to fix it now.
Those are tricky.
Okay, you do that. Take as many as you want. Don't do it, don't do it. Dear man. My gosh, I'm going to do
Ho, ho, ho! Announcing the 12 Days of Christmas giveaway by the Bradley Bunch, starting today. Ho, ho, ho!
Received a box that I think these little girls are gonna love. Don't look yet. I will surprise you. Bo says, I'm excited. So this is for the movie Spielbound. And they have stuffed animals that the kids can play with that go with the movie. And I was thinking it would be fun to watch the movie today. What would you guys think? Do you think that'd be fun? Okay. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Thank you, Skydance.
Thank you, Skydance.
So far from where we are, they made me think of you. They made me think of you. Oh, let's go down. So far from where we are, they made me think of you. They made me think of you. Oh, let's go down. In the moment, so far from where we are, they made me think of you. They made me think of you. Oh, let's go down.
All right, so today I'm going to read another paragraph in my book, A Full House, A Full Heart. I'm going to read in chapter 12 today, Cultivating a Heart of Gratitude. And let's see, I'm going to read this chapter. Contentment is a mindset that goes hand in hand with gratitude. It's about being satisfied with what we have rather than constantly wanting more. In today's world, where children are bombarded with messages about what they need in order to be happy, whether it's the latest toy, gadget, or trendy clothes, it's more important than ever to teach them the value of contentment. We try to emphasize the difference between needs and wants, helping our children understand that while it's okay to have desires, true happiness doesn't come from getting everything we want. We remind them that God has already provided for all our needs and that learning to be content with what they have is a key to living a joyful and peaceful life. Tomorrow I'm going to read a paragraph from chapter 13, Structure and Routine in Daily Life.
So I know Carla's announcing a bunch of giveaways, which are awesome. My Empowered Mom, my AI Mom giveaway is live until the summit. You can get my ebook for free. So go ahead and follow the AI Mom, and I will DM you my ebook. If you just DM me your email address, I will send it to you.
Inga just got home from making cookies with a friend at their house, and they look delicious. Good job, Inga. Did you have fun? Good. Now Jenna and Evie are just building.